So hi, I'm Pallavi and I'm a chef. I did my diploma from Italy and I recently published my book. It's called The Bhojpuri Kitchen. So now we are making a beautiful mushrooms and chicken stir fry. I'll just add a little bit of oil. First, we'll saute our mushrooms. This recipe is your best friend even on your toughest weekdays. So give it a try. So my mushrooms are smelling really nice. That means they are nicely sauteed. I'm just going to take them out in a plate. And now it's time to quickly start making our quick stir fry. Oil, little bit of jeera. You know, मसाले जब तेल में जाते हैं तो वो मसाले तेल में अपना फ्लेवर छोड़ते हैं और फिर उसी फ्लेवर में जब पूरी सब्जी बनती है या फिर स्टर फ्राई बनती है तो उसका मज़ा ही कुछ और होता है. अब ऐड करेंगे हमारी अनियंस और डालेंगे इसमें लाल मिर्च. हमें प्याज को ज़्यादा भूंजना नहीं है, बस वेरी स्वीटली थोड़ा पिंक पिंक ब्लश करवाना है. अब हम इसमें डालेंगे चिकन. And we want our chicken to get that lovely, nicely golden brown color. तो अभी हम इसमें नमक नहीं डालेंगे क्योंकि अगर हम इसमें अभी salt ऐड कर देंगे तो chicken will start leaving its water and we will not get that lovely golden brown color. So my chicken is nicely cooked and it's smelling really nice. Now we are going to add our sauteed mushrooms. So my mushroom and chicken stir fry is absolutely ready.